morning, students. Today we are going to learn about chemical changes around us. So, many changes take place around us. Our nails and hair grow longer, we grow taller, and our body weight increases as we grow. Coal burns to ash, and glass breaks into pieces. Raw potatoes are made into potato chips. Fruits are ripened, and season changes. These are the changes are happening in our daily life, right? But you have to learn physical and chemical change. What is the difference between these two changes? Physical changes are reversible. That means it happens again and again. Say for example, I said no. If you take solid ice, if you heat them, it is going to change into liquid. Again, if you are freezing that, it's going to be a solid shape. That is all reversible changes. So in physical change, chemical bonds between the atoms do not break and no new substance are formed. That is called physical change. Chemical change, it is nothing, it is irreversible. That means it is never come again the same substance. Okay, in chemical change, chemical bonds between the atoms break and new ones form. As a result, new substances are formed. During this chemical change, some effects on substances. Okay, that means change in the color of the substance. In most chemical change, the color of the substances change. For example, when food is cooked, its color and texture changes due to chemical change. And if you cut the apple, no, you leave sometimes the white part of the apple turns brown due to chemical change. And next, change in the odor of substances. Odor means smell. Okay, so rooting of food, then meat and fruits or chemical changes means it's going to change in their smell. Okay, so the odor of the substances change. And evolution of gas, that means when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a solution of sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide gas evolves. So evolution of gas. And next thing, it is absorption and release of heat energy. Say for example, when you candle or a matchstick is burnt, heat energy is released, while heat energy is absorbed in the formation of quicklime from limestone. And production of light and sound, this is also one more example for example crackers. Okay, and the next example is bursting balloons. Okay, so these are a good example for production of light and sound. So chemical changes occur because of chemical reactions. The original substances before the chemical change are called reactants, and the new substances formed due to the chemical reactions are called products. Okay, so a chemical reaction can be represented by a chemical equation. Each chemical reaction is written with the reactant on the left side of the arrow and products on the right side of the arrow. So reactants gives products. So now you all clear about the chemical changes. So new substances are formed and you have to know about the effects of chemical changes. Okay, so due to chemical reaction, some color changes, smell, production of light, these are the chemical changes. So I hope you all understood about this physical change and also chemical change. So physical changes means during these changes no new substances are formed. Like that, chemical change, new substances with entirely new properties are formed. Those are called chemical changes. So I hope you all understood about the topic physical and chemical changes. Thank you, students.